Now in this lecture we'll see introduction of template view using class-based views. Hi, welcome back. Now in this section we'll see class-based views, which is the advanced version of the function-based views, which we have seen already for several times, and this is the link where you can take the reference from the Django documentation, Django project 1.11 topics class-based views. Okay, so what is the class-based views? Basically, a view is a callable which takes a request and returns a response. This can be more than just a function, and Django provides an example of some classes which can be used as views. This allows you to structure a view and reuse code by harnessing inheritance and mixins. These are also some generic views. There are also some generic views for simple tasks, which we will get to later. But you may want to design your own structure of reusable views which suits your use case. Okay, fine. I'm skipping this boring stuff and just jumping into the simple usage in your URL con. So how to use this class-based views directly in our project? So let's have a look. Just we need to inherit. First of all we see template-based views means just template view, and will render a template directly by writing the template name over here. Fine. So just go through the documentation, and I am copying this code and just copy and paste it over here. Copy and paste, and just we are commenting this home page of a book so that we do not confuse, and we are just copying this URL pattern as the documentation suggests, and this is it. So we are using home.html over here, and just like home. Okay, great. And we have the home.html as a template in our apps templates folder, home.html. Okay, so for our reference we can type the in template view. Okay, just save it and just hit the URL for home. Okay, we haven't passed any context as adnum in our template view, so we cannot use this, so I'm just deleting it. And any variables which is passed from the views, just like from here, from this home view, we cannot use that thing which is over here. Okay, so just refresh it again. Okay, in the template view. Great. So this is just a basic of how to use a template without defining a function for them. And home.html we can use directly our template by inheriting the template view. So this is how we can use template view. And let's go further in the documentation. And any arguments passed to as underscore view will override attribute set on the class. In this example we set template underscore name on the template view. A similar overriding pattern can be used for the URL attribute on redirect view. So you can go through this documentation, and if we go further on this subclassing generic views, we will not see all of them, but we'll see some of them for the reference of to use in our projects. And you can use your own template view, and we'll see how to customize this and how to code this and how Django code this to use the template directly. So the second more powerful way to use generic views is to inherit from an existing view and override attributes such as the template name, or methods such as get context data. What this get context data we'll see in a few seconds in your subclass to provide new values or methods. So considering that we haven't declared any view or class for this template view, let's see how to use this in our views.py. So we are just going to views.py, and we just first of all copy this and okay, and just paste it. Okay, fine. And this is about view. We can say it's the template inherit, okay, template inherit view, template view, and home.html. Okay, and we can give this inherit view, so just template inherit view, and we need to copy that code over here. Okay, and instead of this template view, we'll use template inherit view, which we have inherited from Django's main template view, views.py, and as a reference from this code, we can use this reference and just paste it and understand what's this. So okay, template inherit view, okay, and instead of about, we'll use home.html. okay, copy this and paste it in the URLs and name it. We don't require this name anymore, and just closing bracket. Okay, fine. So just save it and refresh the page. Okay, template inherit view is not imported. Just look at this. What's the issue? It's not Django generic, but from the dot views and import. Okay, dot views, just like book.views. okay, so we can paste it over here as well, because as we have already inherited it. Okay, fine. So just remove this code, save it, again try to refresh, and we got the same template. As we have changed it, again we got the same template. This is just because we use this template view in our custom template inherit view, and we provide the template name over here, so we are not required to give the template name in the as view. Okay, so this is just the basic of how we can use a template directly in the template view. Okay, fine. If you have any doubt, let us know, otherwise keep going. We have seen introduction of template view using class based views. In next lecture, we'll see how to create list view.